5th of February today, first week of February, but it's a sunny day, but the air's still quite cold, and I'm surprised to see these bees flying like this. Not many of the other hives have got flying bees. I wonder why these are so active. And check the feeder. 3 fat slugs in the feeder, and some of this feed is going down. They've been taking it down. It looks so grim this time of the year, but they're up in the feeder at the moment. So they're taking this feed down and they're flying. So get rid of those slugs. I'm not sure this level of activity is a good thing. Something going on down here with it. Bees being thrown out. They're not taking pollen in, so it's not that they're going out to collect pollen from snowdrops, or there aren't any flowering yet. Or the willow. Not that I can see anyway. I'm not sure this is a good sign for this box, but it's a swarm that it brought in from another apiary, so they're not the same bees as in the other boxes here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully they're just going out on cleansing flights and enjoying a bit of sun. But there's something definitely going on. This bee is definitely dragging out a bee here, and it's where is it? I don't think it's a dead bee, but it's working hard at getting it out. I don't know why. There we go. So what does that mean? Maybe they've just been having a good clean out of the hive while this sun hits the front of this box, but the bees not going back in as well, so I don't know. There are still bees in this hive, although they haven't eaten much of this fondant I put here, so maybe they don't really need it that much. Or maybe the weather just hasn't been conducive to them coming up from below. They've lost quite a lot of bees out of the front. So I think I might close this entrance down a bit again. Don't like seeing it quite as open as that. But the trouble is, they can't chuck dead bees out if it's too small a hole. Anyway, I had to rock the box a bit before they came up here. There weren't any up here when I first looked. Well, these ones are still alive. Again, I had to rock the box. I'm going to close our entrance down a little bit, I think. I don't like to see it quite so open. They've got plenty of syrup in their feeder. They're not interested in that at the moment. Well, it is in the middle of winter, of course, so I'll leave them alone. Oh, well, these are flying without rocking the box. They weren't flying when I arrived just now, so maybe it's just about warm enough for them to come out. Doesn't feel very warm. It was 10 degrees on my car, and I think that's always a bit generous, so I think it's probably more like 9. So it's just not enough for them to have really good foraging flights. But there will be pollen around in the next few weeks if they do get some good weather. In fact, we're forecast very bad weather again. Forecast more harsh, cold winds from the east. So they won't be coming out that much if that's the case. I saw a few flying from this one earlier on. Yeah, we've got a few flying, so they're still flying. Looks like we've had some more woodpecker attacks. Some of these boxes are very old and not very difficult for the woodpeckers to get through, I don't think. So I wouldn't find much in that box, of course, because it hasn't got any bees in. Yeah, look, they've had to go down there as well. What's the back like? Yep, and here too. And a bit on this one. Right, well, I've closed this one down a little bit as well. They're still flying, these bees. So, well, I'll leave them to it, I guess.